Unlock your skin's secrets, understanding your skin type. Struggling with acne, dryness, or oiliness? Understanding your skin type is the key to solving your skin concerns. Dive into science and discover personalized solutions for a healthier, happier you. Our skin is the largest organ of the human body, serving as a protective barrier and playing a critical role in overall health. Understanding the building blocks of skin involves exploring its genetic foundation, the influence of environmental factors, and its anatomical structure. The role of genetics in determining skin type. Genetics play a foundational role in determining your skin type. The genes you inherit from your parents influence. Sebum production. Genes regulate how much oil, sebum, your sebaceous glands produce. This determines whether your skin is oily, dry, or combination. Melanin levels. Genetic variations affect melanin production, determining skin tone and natural protection against UV radiation. Sensitivity and conditions. Conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or rosacea can run in families. Genetic predispositions can also influence how reactive your skin is to allergens or irritants. Genetic influence means that while skin can be managed and treated, its core characteristics are largely inherited. The impact of environmental factors. Environmental factors interact with your genetics to shape the condition and health of your skin over time. Sun exposure, UV radiation. Chronic exposure to ultraviolet rays accelerates skin aging, causes pigmentation changes, and increases the risk of skin cancers by damaging DNA in skin cells. Pollution, airborne pollutants, like particulate matter and toxins, can penetrate the skin, leading to inflammation, oxidative stress, and a weakened skin barrier. Climate, humid environments can increase oiliness and acne, while cold, dry climates often exacerbate dryness, flaking, and sensitivity. Lifestyle and habits. Smoking, poor diet, alcohol, and stress can also impair skin health and accelerate aging. Protective behaviors, such as using sunscreen, maintaining hydration, and avoiding pollutants, are key to preserving healthy skin. Skin structure, epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous layer. The skin is composed of 3 primary layers, each with specialized functions. 1. Epidermis, outer layer. Composition, mainly made of keratinocytes, which produce keratin, a protein that provides strength. Function, acts as a barrier against pathogens, UV radiation, and water loss. Key features, contains melanocytes, pigment-producing cells. Constantly renews itself through cell turnover. Houses Langerhans cells, part of the immune defense. 2. Dermis, middle layer. Composition, connective tissue rich in collagen and elastin, giving skin strength and flexibility. Function, supports and nourishes the epidermis. Key features, contains blood vessels, nerve endings, hair follicles, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. Houses immune cells and fibroblasts involved in healing and maintenance. 3. Subcutaneous tissue, hypodermis. Composition, fat cells, adipocytes, and connective tissue. Function, provides insulation, shock absorption, and energy storage. Key features, anchors skin to underlying muscles and bones. Varies in thickness depending on location and individual body composition. The health and appearance of your skin are influenced by an intricate balance of genetic factors, environmental exposures, and the integrity of its 3-layered structure. Understanding these elements is key to effective skin care and treatment strategies. Identifying your skin type. Knowing your skin type is essential for choosing the right skincare products and treatments. Every individual's skin is unique, but dermatology classifies skin into 5 basic types based on oil production, hydration, and sensitivity. The 5 basic skin types. Oily skin, characterized by excessive sebum oil production. Common signs, shiny appearance, enlarged pores, blackheads, and frequent acne breakouts. Often worsens in humid climates or during hormonal changes, e.g., puberty. Dry skin, lacks adequate moisture and natural oils. Common signs, flaking, tightness, dullness, rough patches, and sometimes itchiness or redness. Can worsen in cold weather or with overuse of harsh cleansers. Combination skin. A mix of oily and dry areas, typically with oiliness in the T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, and dryness on the cheeks. Requires a balanced skincare approach targeting both oil control and hydration. Sensitive skin. Prone to irritation, redness, burning, or stinging, especially in response to fragrances, skincare products, or environmental factors. May be linked to conditions like rosacea, eczema, or contact dermatitis. Normal skin. Balanced sebum and hydration levels. Smooth texture, small pores, and minimal sensitivity or breakouts. While considered ideal, it still requires basic care and protection. Simple at-home tests to determine your skin type. You don't need a dermatologist's office to get a general sense of your skin type. Try these 2 basic tests. 1. The bare face test. Steps. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Do not apply any skincare products. Wait for 1 hour. Observe how your skin feels and looks. What to look for. Shiny all over oily skin. Tight or flaky dry skin. Shiny T-zone, dry cheeks combination skin. Redness, itchiness, or discomfort sensitive skin. Comfortable, balanced feel normal skin. Understanding the key characteristics of each skin type. Oil production. Texture. Common concerns. Shiny, thick, enlarged pores. Acne, blackheads, clogged pores. Rough, flaky dough. Irritation, tightness, premature aging. Combination. Variable, T-zone oily, cheeks dry. Mixed, smooth in places, dry or oily in others. Difficulty finding balanced products. Sensitive. Variable. Thin, easily irritated. Redness, burning, reactions to products. Normal. Balanced. Smooth, even. Minimal issues. Identifying your skin type is the first step toward healthier skin. Once you understand your skin's behavior, you can tailor your skincare routine to meet its unique needs, whether that means adding more hydration, controlling oil, or avoiding irritants. Caring for your skin type. No 2 skin types are exactly alike, and that's why customized skincare routines are essential. The right regimen supports your skin's natural function, enhances its appearance, and helps prevent common issues like acne, aging, and irritation. The importance of customized skincare routines. Skincare is not one size fits all. Each skin type has distinct needs, and using the wrong products can do more harm than good. The personalized routine maintains the skin's natural barrier and pH, prevents common problems, e.g., breakouts, excessive dryness, sensitivity, enhances long-term skin health and appearance, improves treatment outcomes for specific concerns like acne or wrinkles. Best practices by skin type. 1. Oily skin. Cleanser. Use a gentle, foaming or gel-based cleanser with salicylic acid or tea tree oil to control oil without stripping. Exfoliation. 2 to 3 times a week with beta-hydroxy acids to unclog pores. Moisturizer. Oil-free, non-comedogenic, lightweight formulas with hyaluronic acid. Sun protection. Oil-free SPF daily to prevent UV damage without clogging pores. 2. Dry skin. Cleanser. Cream-based, non-foaming cleansers to preserve moisture. Exfoliation. 1 to 2 times a week using a mild AHA, alpha-hydroxy acid, like lactic acid to gently remove flakes. Moisturizer. Rich creams or ointments with ceramides, glycerin, and shea butter. Sun protection. Broad-spectrum sunscreen with hydrating ingredients like squalane or hyaluronic acid. 3. Combination skin. Cleanser. Gentle, pH-balanced cleansers that cleanse without overdrying. Exfoliation. Target the T-zone 2 to 3 times weekly with a BHA and dry areas with a mild AHA. Moisturizer. Use gel-based moisturizers on oily areas and creamy products on dry spots, or opt for a balanced, lightweight product. Sun protection. Non-greasy SPF, preferably gel or fluid formulations. 4. Sensitive skin. Cleanser. Fragrance-free, hypoallergenic formulas with minimal ingredients. Exfoliation, once a week at most, using enzyme-based or very mild exfoliants. Moisturizer, products with calming agents like niacinamide, aloe vera, or colloidal oatmeal. Sun protection, mineral-based sunscreens, zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, to minimize irritation. 5. Normal skin. Cleanser, gentle daily cleanser to maintain balance. Exfoliation, 1 to 2 times a week for healthy cell turnover. Moisturizer, lightweight lotions to maintain hydration without oiliness. Sun protection, daily SPF 30+ to prevent aging and sun damage. Addressing common skin concerns. Common in oily and combination skin but can affect all types. Treatment. Look for ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, niacinamide, and topical retinoids. Avoid harsh scrubs or over-cleansing, which can worsen inflammation. Wrinkles and fine lines. Caused by aging, sun exposure, and environmental damage. Prevention and treatment. Use antioxidants, vitamin C, E, retinoids, peptides, and daily sunscreen. Hydration is crucial to minimize the appearance of lines. Dryness and flakiness, often a sign of dry or irritated skin. Solution: increase moisturization, avoid hot water, and use products with humectants, like glycerin, and occlusives, like petrolatum. By understanding your unique skin type and its needs, you can build a routine that protects, treats, and enhances your skin. Remember, consistency, gentle products, and sun protection are key pillars of lifelong skin health. Beyond the basics, skin health. Healthy skin goes far beyond cleansers and moisturizers. True skin wellness requires a holistic approach, addressing internal health, protective strategies, and professional guidance. Here's how you can support your skin from the inside out. The role of diet and hydration in skin health. What you put in your body is just as important as what you put on your skin. Nutrition and hydration significantly influence skin function and appearance. Hydration. Adequate water intake helps maintain skin elasticity, turgor, and natural glow. Dehydration can make skin appear dull, emphasize wrinkles, and slow down healing. Dietary essentials. Antioxidants, e.g., vitamin C, E, beta-carotene found in fruits and vegetables, protect skin cells from oxidative stress and premature aging. Omega-3 fatty acids, present in fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, help reduce inflammation and support the skin barrier. Zinc and selenium, important for wound healing and protecting against UV damage. Protein, necessary for collagen production and skin repair. Low glycemic index foods, reduce the risk of acne flare-ups by minimizing insulin spikes. Tip: a Mediterranean-style diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and hydration is linked to better skin aging outcomes. The benefits of incorporating sunscreen and antioxidants. Sunscreen, your #1 anti-aging tool. Daily SPF use, 30 or higher, prevents photoaging, pigmentation, and skin cancer. Even on cloudy days or indoors near windows, UV radiation can damage skin at the cellular level. Choose broad-spectrum sunscreens with UVA and UVB protection. Mineral sunscreens, zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, are ideal for sensitive skin. Topical antioxidants. Neutralize free radicals generated by sun exposure, pollution, and stress. Common options include vitamin C, brightens skin, stimulates collagen, reduces hyperpigmentation. Vitamin E, moisturizing and protective, often paired with vitamin C for enhanced efficacy. Niacinamide, vitamin B3 reduces redness, controls oil, improves skin barrier. Green tea extract, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich. Using antioxidants in the morning, under sunscreen, offers enhanced protection against environmental damage. Consulting with a dermatologist. While at-home care is essential, professional evaluation is irreplaceable for diagnosing and managing skin concerns. When to see a dermatologist. Persistent or severe acne, eczema, rosacea, or psoriasis. Suspicious moles or changes in skin lesions. Unexplained rashes, hair loss, or pigmentation changes. Interest in medical-grade treatments, chemical peels, lasers, prescription products. What you'll gain: a personalized skin assessment based on your medical history, lifestyle, and skin goals. Access to effective prescription treatments and advanced skincare. Professional monitoring for early signs of skin cancer or chronic dermatologic conditions. Even for healthy skin, an annual dermatology checkup is a proactive step toward long-term skin wellness. Glowing, resilient skin starts with good habits, eating well, protecting against damage, and seeking expert care when needed. By going beyond the basics, you build a lifelong foundation for healthy, beautiful skin.